Hello everyone, my name is Pooja and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss about what is press kit. First of all, you will know what is press kit. A press kit is a presenting of your company products and service in a hard copy or electronic format. If you chooses to create an electronic press kit, please keep all information including brochures and data sheet in a hard document format versus a hard copy PDF. So it is easier for a journalist or analyst to capture the information they need for a story or news item directly from their materials. Many companies provide both a Word or PDF version of documents to give the media a choice. The presentation of your electronic material is important as printed material. It is physically handoff is required and expected. We suggest that you provide materials on a branded USB drive so a journalist or analyst can easily identify which company material are on the drive and can choose the format they prefer. A press kit is creative vision that gives an insight into an artist or business and highlights their best work. It is important for creative entrepreneur because it is establishes credibility as an artist and business person, helps you stand out from the crowd, allow you to build brand recognition. Brand brochures and data sheet. A company's brochure or data sheet is acceptable to include in a press kit. However, inserting all company's data sheet and brochures into a press kit is unnecessarily useless. The information in to new product, service, company announcement that will accommodate this material. Press release. Press release should be current, to the point, accurate and timely. Journalists especially take the inverted pyramid approach, which means capturing the most important information from the top down on the press release. Here is the breakdown. A summary statement at the top of the press release provides a quick and easy way to determine if the content is relevant for their readers. It is different than the first paragraph. Bold subheads and bullet points summarizing product features and benefits make it easy for a journalist or analyst to scan the release quickly for information they need. Deadlines should be clearly indicate release content and should be kept at 100 characters. The release should contain your media contact information so a journalist or a license can follow. If the release is an announcement which a company representative is speaking during an event like a conference or trade shows, it is good idea to provide a headshot of the speaker, a short biography of the individual, and an easy to read information box on the speaker's presentation includes when, where, and what topic the speaker will address. Provide contact information within the box so a journalist or analyst can follow before and after the session. Before we get into this further, let's talk about digital versus print. Print, classic, tangible, great for face-to-face meeting. Companies fact check who, where, are and what we do. The first page document provides basic information about company including company logo, corporate timeline, list of products and service which and one statement description of each and many includes pricing and ability equivalent. An about use paragraph should include information pertaining to your company addressing who, what, where, how and why. This may include information such as a descriptor of who you are, what your business does, how long you have been in business, your market value, or Differentiators: numbers of employees, office locations, your industry segments, SaaS provider, IT company, data center, telecommunication network provider, and your position within this segment, your target customers, vertical or segments, what benefits you deliver to your customer, award or accomplishment, current industry facts, quotes, and trends for leading analysis and market research firms add values to your press release or common announcement and provides additional credibility to the reader. Contact information for personnel who can speak to media. Social media URLs, website URLs. C-level or high-level ranking executive bios. Provides out for executives that pretend to a specific subject that have not been used previously. Digital, interactive, portable, great for the first encounter. Images and electronic press kit, highly quality, highly resolution images have been needed for the media or elastic firm. This includes headshots of your CEOs, other high-ranking executives, photos of the company headquarters, product close-up photos, and logo images. A minimum 300 dpi images with the preferred format suggested: JPG, GIP, PNG, AI, or EPS. One pager where you will be during the conference of trade. This sheet should outline any activity your company may be involved in during a conference or trade show and how the media can easily find out about you. Will any of your C-level executives be speaking during the sessions or panels? Will you be participating as an exhibitor? Will you be hosting any events or hospitality suites during the overall event? Will there be any demonstrations of product or services? Note: if you have a formal printed invitation for a function, write a note inside the invitation stating that the specific journalist or analyst is welcome to attend the event. Promotional item giveaways. Some ideas include notebooks with your company logo or slogan on the cover, rollerball style pen with your company logo, a canvas portfolio style press kit cover with your company logo on your cover. These are all great tools for journalists and analysts to keep your company top of mind and fabulous way to put your best information forwarded for review. Okay, time to find out what's in a press kit. First, what includes in a press kit? A press kit is your creative resume. Treat it like one. Include only your best work, a short bio about you and your company, descriptions of your product, and examples of your past success. A press kit is not a thousand words life story or a personal essay. A completion of everything you have ever created. Something you span to every person you meet. You should include instead brief description, media coverage, awards and recognition, interesting examples, testimonials and reviews. Got it? But why does any of this matter? 2. Why is it important to have a press kit? A press kit is important because it is the quickest way to communicate what you have to offer. There are many benefits to a media kit and set it apart from a website and another advertising tools. It gives you control. If you don't provide accurate information about your company, reporters and clients will come up with their own assumptions about it. A media case gives you the opportunity to present yourself as you want to be seen. It also gives your audience a detailed description of exactly what you offer. It allows you to control the message. It saves time. When you on a new client, he or she will likely have a lots of questions about your product or services. Rather than spending hours answering questions, you can present all your company information through your media kit. It helps you to promote a specific product or an event. If you are holding a public event or launching a new product, you want to get the information about the media. By sending journalists a media kit, they will have all the information they need to write an article or advertisement. It promotes the launch of a new company. If you are just opening your door as a company, you want to let people know what you are all about. Sending a media kit is a simple way to give people all the facts they should know about your business. It explains company processes, a detailed step-by-step process of how you help your clients may be overwhelming in a website setting where people just want to browse different pages. In a media kit for a new client, this explanation is essential. It gives you bring on one more client. Perhaps the most important reason behind having a media kit is that it can attract new customer. The information from the media can attract attention from potential customers who won't otherwise hear about your business. It increases client confidence. Though the information in a media kit gives customer confidence that you are experienced and you know how to take care of them. Let's face it, you have got a lot of competition out there. A press kit establishes credibility in an overcrowded marketplace. It shows that you are serious and you have already begun to make an impact. That's just the start. Every time you show up to the part without a business card, your competition get the gig. A press kit gives you an advantage over your competition. It makes people remember you and your product. Isn't that the goal? You want your work to stand out and you want to create a lasting impression on people. A press kit gives you define and establishes your creative brand. It forces you to think about your message, about what you represent. And once you figure that out, you will have yourself at the top. Third, how to sorry, market yourself with a press kit. Common misconceptions. I don't need a press kit, I have a blog. I haven't done enough to create a press kit. I don't need to update my press kit regularly. I will just send my press kit to everyone I know on social media and gain attraction. If I create a press kit, they will find it. The reality. A press kit is a marketing tool that will help you to sell more work, get more gigs, and take your creative brand to a whole new level. But it takes time and requires you to create a distribution strategy around your press kit. You can't just put your press kit up on the web or send it to every single person you know and hope something will happen. What I shall leave you with are a few tactics to create your strategy around. Meet peers and potential partners at networking events. Reach out to local establishments. Help others learn what you already know. Build relationships with influencers. Once you establish an audience and build trust with and connections, then it's time to share your press kit with them. Thank you so much for listening.